Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, I am going to use this, that is a pack of gems. Like obviously I've used completely, there's nothing inside. So I'm going to use this and make something using it. I don't know if you all have already guessed what it is. Uh, I also don't know if I've already put it in the thumbnail and title or no, because I'll decide it at the last moment when I'm uploading the video. So whatever it is, if I have not, then do pause the video here and guess in the comments what I'm going to make using this, and I'll go ahead with the video. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. Here you go. Firstly, I'm going to cut out the below part. We don't need this part. So I'm going to cut it out. So we are done. Next, what I'm going to do is, you can see there's space here. So for now, this is how it is. The next part would be using this one that I had got in the hall, Itsy Bitsy Hall. If you're not seen, it's linked somewhere here. You can check it out. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to check the size of this. I've marked down where it is. So I'm going to fold this accordingly. Now let me put it inside and check once if I marked it properly. And I'm going to measure the part till, just below the ziplock part, because I don't want to block the ziplock part. And then mark where to fold it. So this is how much it is. So now I'm going to open this part, fold it again. And this is the part we need, this side, the longer side, not the shorter side. So I'm going to cut it out. Once I've folded it, I'm going to cut it till here, obviously, the whole folded part. Okay, so I'm done cutting this out. You can see it. This is how I cut it out. Now let me fold it properly into half and make a proper mark. Okay. So I've inserted it inside. You can see it looks so good. Here it is, and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to stick the whole part. So let me stick it and get back to you. Okay guys, so I'm back with this. You can see that I've already stuck it. I'll open it and show it to you. You can see that cute polka dots there. It's looking so good. So we have almost completed this. Almost, not completely. So this is how this will be as it is, as I said, the ziplock. So yeah. So guys, I also put this tape here at the top to give it a good look. You see, it looks so good at the top. So just to cover that ziplock part. So yeah, this part is done. Now I have to do something to cover this part so it looks good out there. So let's do the next process. Okay guys, so this is the part you saw until now. The next part, what I'm going to do is to cover this a white part. So what I'm going to use is this satin ribbon of the similar color. So I'm going to cut, short pieces of this. And if you've seen that macrame art type bags, you see those hangings at the bottom. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this satin ribbon, and you can see I'm going to stick it like this, like hanging from, the complete part, front and back. So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to use hot glue to stick it. I also use hot glue for to stick this as well completely. So yes, and one more thing, guys. If you're not, if you're small, if you're not, uh, I mean, if you're not an adult, then I would suggest do if you're making something like this, please do it in the supervision of your parents or someone, some adult, because using hot glue is not. It is risky. It's hot. It is, we can somehow, like, I have many times, touched it by mistake, and it's so hot that it burns your hand. It feels so burning like that. So yeah, I would suggest do not make it without the supervision of your parents or any adult. So yes, let's go ahead and now do the next part. I am really excited how it is going to turn out. So I'll get back to you once I stick each of them, because I don't have the glue gun here. I have to go to my room. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you. So guys, as you can see, I covered that white part with this ribbons. As you can see, I mean the satin ribbons on both the sides. So now it is almost ready. One thing that I have to do is how to hold it. So I'm going to punch a hole here. This is a hole punch, as you can see. One side is done. I'm going to do the other side as well. So both the sides I have punched a hole, as you can see. Now I'm going to take these. Okay. I'm going to take these jump rings. There are two in it, as you can see. So I'm going to take it and put it to that hole and tighten it. So I have put jump rings on both the sides, as you can see. The next process is this. So I just took one of my old purse, what do you say, sling. I'm going to put it inside this jump ring. Okay, so we are done, and you can see this. So let me show you the whole thing. So guys, as you can see, this is the final look. So I actually loved it. This is the first ever time I've made something like this, and I loved it. So y'all tell me, how much do you, I mean, how much would you rate this on a scale of 10? So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you all like this idea. Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. So yes, that's it. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.